Hey guys, I'm Shalini and today I'm going to be showing you a few makeup tricks that will make your eyes look bigger. I know everyone wants bright, gorgeous peepers like these, and trust me, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, so just follow along. And in case you guys are new to the Be Beautiful channel, then do not forget to bash that subscribe button right now. Step 1 is to use the right concealer shade on the top lid as well. Don't use a shade lighter or darker as your base shade on the top lid. Always use your same concealer shade. A lighter shade will make your eyes look smaller, while a darker shade will make your eyes look more sunken. This won't give you the eye definition you're looking for. Apply the concealer on the lids and blend it well. Now the next step is to add some dimension to the crease. Contour the crease with a slightly darker eyeshadow, preferably a warm matte brown shade. Now this will add dimension to your eyes and make it pop. Avoid using a darker shade on the brow bone as this will push that area in and won't make your eyes look bigger. The third step is to highlight at the right places. This is the ultimate trick to make your eyes look bright and awake. Dab some highlighter on the center of the lids, the brow bone and the inner corners of the eye. You'll see an instant difference, making your eyes look fresh, big and beautiful. The fourth step is to define the brows. Well-groomed brows create a very flattering frame for the eyes. To accentuate the eye area, add some definition to the brows. Use a brow pencil and lightly fill in the gaps using feather strokes. Go over with a spoolie for a clean and defined look. The fifth step is to brighten your waterline. Now for the lower waterline, ditch your dark eye pencil and go in for a white or nude pencil which looks really natural. Now this will open up your eyes and make it appear bigger. The sixth step is to add a brownish shade below your lower waterline. This trick really makes your eyes look bigger than they are because it gives the illusion of the waterline being lower than it actually is. Now this works best if you have a nude shade in your lower waterline. The seventh step is to curl your lashes. Now curling your lashes is one of the most overlooked steps, but it actually makes all the difference. So before applying mascara, always curl your lashes to open up your eyes and make them look brighter and more awake. And the eighth step is to apply mascara. Apply a generous coat of mascara on the upper and lower lashes, giving definition to the eyes. I hope these tricks help. You can mix and match them for whatever look you are creating. Let me know in the comment section below which one worked the best for you. Like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!